everybody, welcome back to Coupe to Grill. And you know what we've got today? We have the very next snack you need to bring to your next pool party right here. So wine-soaked pineapple is where it's at today. We've got a pineapple, we've got some mason jars, and we've got some wine. This just takes overnight. So we're going to cut up our pineapple. You guys check this out. If you guys have never cut a pineapple before, we're going to run through it really quick. Cut off your top, cut off your bottom, shave the sides. Get yourself a really sharp knife because I tell you what, man, these things are awesome.
And these are Outdoor Edge flex knives?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at that. Just beautiful. Okay, well, we've got it all trimmed up here, ready to go. You see the core?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to eat the core, so we're going to cut this in half. Look at that. And we're going to cut it in half again. And we're going to take that and we're going to cut it in half one more time. And that should give us the perfect start to slicing a pineapple. Next thing you need to do is take that core out of there. That's why we cut it like we did. Look at this.
Beautiful.
Yep. Okay, now that we've got the cores all out of there, we just slice them up into bite-sized pieces. Ta-da! Grab your wife's favorite mason jars and start shoving some pineapple. Whoops!
Woo!
In there. Better have that
Oh,
one.
I have to eat this one.
Better have that one, yeah. Now leave some room for the wine to soak it in. Alright, guys, Mr. Grill said she wanted some tahini in one of these, so we're going to do that. Oh, and she said a metric crap ton, which is a little bit more than your standard crap ton.
Yeah. I want to be able to taste it.
Yeah.
I want a little sweet salty going on.
We're gonna, well, that should go down in there a little bit. You can use whatever wine you want. We recommend a red wine, and we are using sangria today because this is going to be freaking awesome. We figured, why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's gorgeous.
And you can drink the wine when you're done soaking your pineapples.
That sounds wrong.
When you're done, what did I say?
Soaking your pineapple. It just seems like that's something else.
Now, you don't need to get such a large bottle, but if you want to have, some while you're waiting for this to soak in, then you definitely need a bigger bottle.
Yeah.
So we're going to finish this off tonight while we're waiting for this to soak.
Yeah.
What? Tell me that doesn't look great.
It does look great. And unlike everything else you put in a flippin' mason jar and stick in your fridge, you don't need to shake it every 5 minutes.
Yeah. Test your lid.
You did test that lid.
Look at that. You can see some tahini and all the things there. You know what? Should we add a little more?
Probably not. Oh, of the tahini? Sure.
A little more right on the top there. We'll get that situated. Before you shake it, make sure your lid's on tight, for crying out loud. We're not shaking those two. We're going to come back tomorrow and see how our pineapple's looking. It's been more than 24 hours, but that's all right. These things have gotten well soaked.
Oh my.
Yeah. And this is the one with the tahini.
Yeah, you can definitely
You
tell.
can tell that. I don't know that we're going to drink that one, but I'm going to definitely drink the other wine.
Oh yeah, that sangria is the best. Are you trying that?
You know what? That's not bad.
Well, of course not. Oh, look at it. You could tell where it wasn't exposed.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I knew it would be.
That's got the tahini in it. Yeah. And that's just sangria. Sangria pineapple. Oh my goodness. Well, We're going to pick a bottle of these and go enjoy this in the sun. You guys try it at home. I hope it turns out just as good. Well, thanks for joining us here making wine-soaked pineapple at Coupe de Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more of stuff like this here with us in it, she puts them over here.